Welcome for watching the video. Myself Archana Ashok Elmate, Assistant Professor, Dayanand Education Societies, Dayanand College of Pharmacy, Latur. Today I am here to talk about how women can become physically and mentally capable. That is about women's empowerment. It is a crucial topic and it is quite difficult to talk in between 2 to 4 minutes. However, women's empowerment means simply the creation of an environment that women can make their own decisions for their personal benefit as well as for the benefits of society. As we know, women represent half of the world population and this genetic inequality exists everywhere, especially in rural areas. Women are not given the same opportunities as men are. And hence, the greatest need of the hour is to change the social attitude towards women. Most of the women work in agriculture and only 7 to 10% women are work in professional, technical and managerial occupations with lots of challenges. So only few women can participate in decisions like their personal health, educations and purchases. So there are lots of challenges and lots of reasons for women's empowerment. When we think about when women become physically capable. So in this case, first step is to ensure that whether women have financial stability, because in most of the cases women feel stuck and helpless because they do not have financial independence. And where this is in case of rural areas, but where women are working, where women are financially stable, then there is need to promote some availability of safe, conveniently located women's hostel with daycare facilities from government, semi-government to each and every private sector, and from urban to rural areas where the women have opportunity to work. Because most of the women are facing problems due to the unavailability of such women's hostel and daycare facilities at workplace. Treat every man and woman equally at workplace. Also, in case of rural women, we know rural women are the key agents for achieving the transformational economic, social, environmental changes required for sustainable development, but they have limited access to credit, their healthcare and education and many more challenges. We know rural women work hard in agriculture, but they remain poor due to multiple barriers. And nowadays, this is urgent need to accelerate the progress towards the economic empowerment of rural women, and this will helps women to claim their rights, leadership and opportunities, or participate in shaping the laws. We know rural women make a quarter of the world population, and these are the key contributor to agriculture production or farming, but sadly the active contribution of these rural women are unrecognized and their potential underutilized. So they are not, rural women are always considered weaker than men. They are not free to express their opinion on anything. Rural women have less exposure to media as compared to men in every age group. They are also human beings. Their bodily functions and mental capabilities are similar to men. Then why are they treated unequally and deprived for their rightful place in the society? Also, the girls from till now, the girls from rural areas, they don't get access to higher education, and instead they get married off at young age. So supporting women's right is our responsibility, and this is about the raising or improving the status of women in society. So finally, my opinion is there is urgent need that there should be focus especially in rural areas for empowering women, as the majority of India's population resides in the village. Thank you for watching the video.